पूर्वमेव जानाति वा?
Ma'am, yes. What did you say, ma'am? Sorry.
पूर्वमेव आर्षसेवाकेन्द्रं जानाति वा?
Yes, ma'am. My husband used to do a lot of courses, ma'am, not me.
Vedanta courses, probably.
Exactly. He's very, very into all that.
Nice. प्रार्थना श्लोकम् शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
पूजन्तं
भवती एव
राम
पठतु।
रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वादात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। नमोस्तु रामाय स लक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रय मानिलेभ्यो नमोस्तु चन्द्रार्क मरुद्गणेभ्यः।
अत्र रुद्र इन्द्र यम अनिल
अनिलेभ्यो
अनिल अनिल इति वायुः वा अग्निः वा? अनिलः इस् वायु। सो रुद्र इन्द्र यम अनिलः टुगेदर अनिलेभ्यो। नमस्ते बालाजी महोदय, शैलेश महोदय, बालाजी महोदय, शैलेश महोदय, वेलकम।
नमो नमः।
नमो नमः। कथम् आसीत् भारतदेशस्य प्रयाणं?
प्रवासः सम्यक् अस्ति, स्वास्थ्यं सम्यक् नास्ति।
एवं वा?
ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम।
Okay. So please take care. We will start. Have I shared the whole screen? No, I have shared only my one part of my screen. Hey, connection. Here.
I have seen some of your videos.
Okay.
Last two I have to still catch up. 16 and 23rd about the Jala Prayog and another one.
Okay.
But I have seen those Karmani Prayoga, Vidhi Ling Lakar, Long Lakar, Lot Lakar. I have seen that. And I did some homework as well.
Oh, super. Great. Okay. So now today we will learn Ikta Pratyasya Vishayam Prati. Ikta Pratyaya Prati Vishayam Prati Vayam Adya Pashyamah. So what is, so let's start with example rather than going into concept and theory. So Ramaha Annam Kadati. Astu. Now change it to Bhuta Kale. Vayam Katam Vadamaha Ramaha Annam Kadati.
Ramaha Annam Khadat.
So there are one method is Ramaha Annam Akadat. The other one is Ramaha Annam Khaditaman, and there is one third one also.
Ramaha Anna Khadati Sma.
Khadati Sma. Okay, today we are not going to be looking at Sma. Today we are seeing that there is two options, right? Ramaha Annam Khaditaman, Ramaha Anna Akadat. What is the difference between those two? Ramaha Anna.
Akhadat is a lang lakar. And vachan ling vachan vibhakti, it language changes, but
with
when
linga?
it is vachana vibhakti vachana changes, but in tavatu pratyay khaditvan ek any purush, pratham purush, uttam purush, it remains the same.
Yes, exactly. So why is that? Because this is a not a lakara.
Visheshanam.
A visheshanam. Before that, first it's a namapadam. Namapadam. So this is a lakara. because it is lakara, it will follow whatever is in prathama vibhakti. So if I have ramaha, it will become akadat. If I make it tvam, it will become akadaha. If I make this is aham, this will become akadam.
Padam.
Based on whatever this changes, this change. But if I change it to Sita, will it change? It will not change.
No.
But here, if I say
Yeah.
change in Tavatu Pratyaya, if I
Yeah.
change Ramaha to Sita, this will change to, this will change?
Aditavati.
This will change. Why? Why it will change? Please remember that this is, like Balaji Mahathir said, this is a Nama Padam, which is a Visheshanam for Ramaha. Such a, like eating Rama, Annam eating Rama is there. That's the actual literal sense. What is the, so every sentence should have a Kriya Padam. Where is the Kriya Padam atra?
Asti asit.
You can have Asti.
Adhyahar.
Yeah. It is Adhyahritam, Asti or Asit. Meaning is Ramaha, Annam eating Ramaha is there. That's the literal meaning. But what we actually, but it means not easy, not is there, was there. The Rama who ate Annam was there or is there, like that. Okay. So we have to remember that there are two ways to do it. And this is a Lakara, so it will not change with Linga, but it will follow the Prathama Vibhakti, the Karta. It will follow the Karta. Here, this is a Nama Padam. What is the Pratipadikam for Kaditavan?
Kaditavan, Nakarantavam.
No.
Kaditavan,
Like,
Kaditavanto, Kaditavantaha.
so that is like Bhavan. What is the
Bhavan.
Bhavan? What is the Pratipadikam?
Bhavanto, Bhavantaha.
Kaditavat.
So, Bhavan, the Pratipadikam is
Bhavat Sabda.
Bhavat, like that. This is Kadita, but this is a
Kaditavat.
Takaranta Shabda. In
Pullinga.
In Pullinga, it is Kaditavan. In Strilinga, it is Kaditavati. In Napunsalinga, it is Kaditavat. So it goes in three lingas because it is a Nama Padam. It has three lingas and it has a Vibhakti table also, 7/3 Vibhakti table. So Kaditavan, Kaditavantau, Kaditavantaha, like Bhavan, or Kaditavati, Kaditavatyo, Kaditavatyaha, like Nadi, or Kaditavat, like Jagat, Kaditavat, Kaditavanti, Kaditavanti, Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti.
Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti.
Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti, like that.
What will be the Kriya Pad in this?
What is the Kriya for this? So Asti is the Kriya.
Asti.
So Rama Anna Kaditvan Asit.
You can say, is the Ekadamsha, it can be Asti or Asi. Why am I saying that? It can be either Asti or Asi. This is Adhyasata. Why am I saying it can be both? Because this Rama who ate the Annam, he could be here or not there. It could have been there. That is depending on the context. Actually, what it means is Annam Kaditavan Ramaha Asti. The Rama who ate Annam is there or was there. But ate Annam is the adjective for Ramaha. Because this is a Namapadam. That is why it is changing with Linga. Okay, what Prayoga is there? This is Bhutakala. What Prayoga is this?
That is Prudanta, Tavatu Pratyaya.
No. Prayoga means Kartari, Karmadi, Bhave. 3 Prayogas.
Oh.
Astu.
Okay.
I'm not asking about individual. I'm asking about the whole sentence. Purnam Vakye. Kaha Prayogaha asti?
Kartari.
Why Kartari?
Ramaha, because it governs the Kartrupadam.
Rama is Karta.
Yeah, Rama is Karta. Okay, now this is clear, right? Ramaha Annam Akadat and Ramaha Annam Kaditaman. There are 2 ways to tell Bhutakala and both are Kartari Prayoga. This is Lakara and this is Namapadam, which is an adjective for Ramaha. All this. Now, how do I change this to Karmani? Ramaha Annam Akadat. How will I change this?
Ramena
Sorry.
Annam
Hmm.
Akhadyate.
Why they?
Akhadyata.
Because
Akhadyata.
Akhadyata. I have already typed it, I think. See, I'll type it. So I don't have to spend time typing. So Ramena Annam Akhadyata. So this is how, what has happened? This Ramaha has become Ramena because the Karta will go in Tritiya Vibhakti. Annam will change to Pratama Vibhakti and Akhadat will become Akhadyata. Okay, this is Karmani Prayoga. Here also this is Lakara. It will follow what is in Pratama Vibhakti, but it will follow the Karma Padam because it is Karmani. Astu. Now, today's topic. Now only we are coming to today's topic. Now I have Kaditaman, right? How will I change this to Karmani? There are two ways to tell Karmani Bhutakala. How will I change this? So I will same method only. Ramaha will become Ramena. Annam will go in Pratama Vibhakti. But instead of Kaditavan, we will add the Tha Pratyaya.
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't hear.
It's the same. No. It will become Kaditaha. It will become Kaditaha. Kaditam, sorry, I will tell you, explain. I'll explain. Kaditam. So, Ramaha, in Karmani, who is the doer? The doer becomes the Tritiya Vibhakti. Annam will become Pratama Vibhakti. And Kaditavan will become Kaditam. Kaditavan will become Kaditam.
Kaditavan is a name and it's a Visheshan. So Visheshan and Vishesha go together. So why it is not Kaditwane now?
Why? Why? Because it is a Visheshana for karma, not for the karta. That's a good question. Here, this is Kartari Prayoga. So, this is defining the Karta. Here, it is defining the Karma. That is why Annam is in Ekavachanam Napumsakalingam. Kaditam is also Ekavachanam Napumsakalingam. If I had Ramena Rotikam, then it will become Rotikam. Not Rotikam, Rotika only. Because it is Pratama Vibhakti.
Kadita.
So it will become Ramena.
Rotika Kadita.
Ramena Rotika Kadita.
So because Annam is Napumsakling, so Kaditam is Napumsakling.
Yes. Annam is Napumsakling, Kaditam is Napumsakling. Annam is Ekavachanam, Kaditam is Ekavachanam. Annam is Pratama Vibhakti, Kaditam is Pratama Vibhakti. Here.
Okay.
So here in Kartari, in Kaditavan, it acts as the Visheshana for Ramaha. In Karmani, it acts, Ikta Pratyaya acts as the Visheshana for the Karma Padam. This is a Karma Vachya Prayoga.
So when we do this Karmani, we don't make any Kriyapad Asti or Asit like that.
That is Satyahridam. Again, that is Satyahridam. That is like implied.
Okay.
So today we are going to do exercises with this and translating any one form. Given one form, we will translate it to other forms. So this.
महोदय क्षम्यताम् अत्र अस्ति आसीत् कर्मणि प्रयोगे परिवर्तनं न भवति वा केवलं खादितवान् खादितम् इति परिवर्तयति वा
रामेण अन्नं खादितम् अस्ति सम्यक् एव न Here you are saying annam asti. What is the mukhya vakyam here? Annam asti. The annam asti eva mukhyam vakyam atra. Kidrisham annam asti. Kaditam annam asti. Kena kaditam annam asti. Ramena kaditam annam asti. Because
I thought Kasti also will become in like we change into Karmani.
Asti also will change to Karmani. No, it will not. Because
Okay, okay.
here we are trying to say, because this is in Prathama Vibhakti, no? So it will become
No,
Annam Asti.
Namaste. Sorry.
This Khaditavan, it's a tav pratyay of
Tavatu.
akhadat.
Tavatu.
There are certain words like Dhanvan, Buddhivan. So are they the Namapadam like this or they are
Yeah.
different?
It's the same only. Not the same. Dhanavan, Buddhiman and all are formed with a different pratyaya. This is the root is taken, the dhatu is taken, and tavatu pratyaya is added. The Vibhakti table is similar with the
Okay.
Buddhiman, Balavan, but they are two different because in Kaditavan, the dhatu, tavatu pratyaya is
Okay.
added to make this
Okay.
word. There,
Okay.
Bala is and Van. There is and Vat, I think. Bala and Vat has become together Balavan.
Balavan, Dhanvan,
Yeah.
Buddhivan.
So Bala and Dana has become Bala and Vat has become Balavan. This is Tavatu
Okay.
Pratyaya. That's a different Pratyaya. That is important.
Okay. Okay.
That
So,
shows the maybe quality or status kind of.
exactly.
What is
Possessing it.
yeah, Balavat Patita.
Balavan. Yeah. So this is clear. How did it become Kaditam? So take the root. It's the easiest way to find out is, you know the Tavatu Pratyaya, right? In the Tavatu Pratyaya, what will be the Tavatu Pratyaya? And forget the one. That will be the Tav Pratyaya. If you forget the one in Tavatu Pratyaya, that will be the Ikta Pratyaya. That's the shortcut to remember. Astu. So I think I've explained, although I have described a lot of stuff here, but I think it's I have explained it. I don't want to, unless it's not clear. We just
No,
discussed
it's
about
clear
this.
now.
Yeah. Anybody has questions? Shall we do the Abhyasa?
Ammol.
Yeah, Abhyas. Let's do Abhyas.
Yeah, so this is all the introductory slides. Balakaha patam apatat, balike abhyasam alikatam, bhaktaha devam anaman. This is a one way of writing lang lakara.
Yes.
This is another way to use tavatu pratyaya to do lang lakara, to do bhutakala. Same in karmani. This is few examples that are given. Balakena pataha apatyuta. These are all karmani bhutakala using lakara, lang lakara. And here if you see, balakena pataha patitaha, balikabhyam abhyasaha likitaha, bhaktaihi devaha nataha. Now, does the meaning change? See, between this sentence and this sentence, does the meaning change?
Nasti. Na
No.
Parivartana.
Similarly, between this sentence and this sentence, does the meaning change?
No.
Yeah. So when does the ta pratyaya is used? A ta pratyaya is used when you want to refer to bhutakala karmani prayoga. Bhutakala karmani prayoga, whenever we want to use, we can either break our heads with lakara or happily use our shortcut, the ta pratyaya. Just like we don't have to break our head in a kartari prayoga with lang lakara, we directly go to tavatu pratyaya, shortcut. Similarly, for karmani bhutakala, we can use the shortcut ta pratyaya. This is a very common usage. Everywhere this will be used, this ta pratyaya. So it is important for us to know. Astu. So all this we discussed. All of this. Okay, we'll start with the abhyas. Radhika Mode, Pratamam, Udaharanam Patatu, Tena
Paఠः पठितः.
Pattadatu. The ta pratyaya is Patitaha. Tena Pataha Patitaha. Meaning? What could be the meaning?
By them,
By him, the
by him, the lesson is read.
Lesson was read. For this whole class
Was
is
it? Oh,
about
yes.
Bhuta.
Okay.
By him, the lesson was read. So usually we would have said Tena Pataha Apatyata. In Lakara. In Karmani Lakara, we would have said Tena Pataha Apatyata. Or in, if I have to do Kartari, I would say Saha
Saha
Patam
patam apatat.
Apatat Atava
Patitavan. Patitavan.
Patitavan. Like that. Okay. So first we'll do this direct exercise and then we will. Radhika Mode Chatrena
अभ्यासः
Presh Dhatu.
प्रेषतः
Preshitah. सम्यक्. Meaning?
प्रेषितः
Preshitah. Meaning? Artha vadatu? Artham vadatu?
The lesson is
The homework was sent by the
student.
student. So was. Anantaram. Balaji Magla.
बालिकया दुग्धं पीतः बालिकया दुग्धं पीतं
Pitam. Because
पीतं
Dugdam is Napumsakam. Lingam Ekavachana. This is also Napumsalingam Ekavachana.
पीतं
Shailesh Mahadev.
अर्चकेन देवौ पूजितौ
Pujitau. Archakena Devo Pujitau. The two gods were worshipped by the priest. Ritesh Mahadev.
मात्रा माला मात्रा माला रचिता
Rachita. Rachita. Samik. Mala is
रचिता और रचयिता
Rachita only. Rachita, ma? It's Rachita only.
रचयिता
Yeah, Rachita makes more sense actually. Where should we see Ashtadhyayi? For some reason, I haven't opened it. Rachayita Manikundi. Where is it?
रचयिति या रचयिता
Radante. Here, no, it is Rachita only.
रचयिता okay
Rachita only. In Tavatu also, it is Rachitavan, Rachitavati, like that.
okay
Agree. Radhika Mode. Shikshakena.
शिक्षकेन प्रश्नाः
What will be in Tavata Pratyaya? It will be Prishtavan, right? So then in Prishtavan, we have to remove the van. So Prishta is remaining. That will be the
Is it Prishtatam?
Prashna. Why Prishtatam? Prashnaha. What is the Linga
yeah
Vachana?
okay
What is the Vachana? Bahuvachana or Ekavachana?
Bahuvachanam.
Then how can it be Prishtatam? It is an adjective for the Karma Padam, isn't it? So Prashnaha. And it is a Pullinga Shabda. Like Ramha, Ramo, Ramaha. So it will be Prishtaha. Prishtaha.
Ma'am, how are we? What is the table for this?
See here, in Pullinga, it is like exactly like Ramapadam. Oh, I didn't say the table, isn't it? Sorry. I think I missed it. In Pullinga, it is exactly like Ramaha. In Strilinga, it is like Sita. And Napumsalinga, it is like Palam. Basic stuff. So in Rama, in Pullinga, Sita or Lata in Strilinga, and Napumsalinga, it is Palam. So Shikshakena Prashnaha Prishtaha. You understood, Mohdey?
Yes, ma'am. This is Prashnaha is pulling, is it?
Pulling, yeah. Pullinga, Bahuvachana. Prishtaha is the
Prashnaha.
प्रश्नः प्रश्नो प्रश्नाः
yeah,
पृष्टः पृष्टौ पृष्टाः
Visheshanam for Prishnaha. Balaji Mohdey, agree.
पित्रा चित्रं दृष्टं
Pitra Chitram
दृष्टं
Drishtam. Samit. Drishtam.
दृष्टः दृष्टा दृष्टं
Samit. Shailesh
Is
Mohdey.
that is Napunsakaling, is it?
Because Chitram, no?
चित्रं
So it
चित्रम्
is
एकवचनं
Drishtam.
नपुंसकलिङ्गम्
What is it? What are those three ones, please? Can you tell me for Napunsakalinga? Patitam.
So what are Patitaha, Patitau? What are you asking, Mohdey?
For
पठितं
Napun
पठिते पठितानि सेम्
Pati-
पल शब्दः
Patite, Patitani. Okay.
फलं
Don't
फले
write like
फलानि
this. You just say that it is like Rama, Sita and Palam. Because
फलं
this will only confuse us.
Devo,
It is
Devaha.
rather easy to say it is like Rama, Pullinge, Rama, Strilinge, Sita, Napunsakalinge, Phalashaktava. Basic thing, what we learned in first time, the same thing. Agree. Shailesh Mohdey. You're on mute.
Sorry. Balikaya Shloko Smrutau.
Smritau, Samit. Smritau.
Smrutau.
So the shlokas, the two shlokas were remembered by the girl. So, Pritesh Mohdey.
I have doubt in sixth also. Pitra, Chitram, it should be Drisham or Drishtam.
What is in Tavatu Pratyaya? How will you say?
It is Napunsakalinga.
दृष्टवान्
So
दृष्टवान्
if I have to say
Drishtavan.
he saw the sun, let's say.
Drishtavan.
Drishtavan. So whatever Tavatu Pratyaya there, remove the one, that will be for the
Okay.
Ikta Pratyaya.
Remove
That's the
the what,
easy one.
ma'am?
What is in Tavatu Pratyaya for Drish Dhatu? How will you say? He saw the sun, let's say. Saha Suryam Drishtavan. So in Drishtavan, remove the one. What you have remaining is what you use for the third pratyaya. Drishtaha.
So it will be Drishtaha.
सम्यक् महोदय बहु सरलम् अस्ति स्मरणेन
Yeah, maybe there are exceptions, mostly it's
Yeah.
Drishtaha.
Yeah.
Remove the
Pritesh
van,
Mohdey.
is it, ma'am? Remove
Yes,
the van, is it?
remove the one.
अमृतवान् अवति अवत्
Yes, remove the one.
विमोदवान्
Kavina, Kavina, Kavitaha, Likhitaha.
Likitaha. By the poet, the poems were written. Karmani. Radhika Mohdey. Tena.
Abhyasau. Is it Likhitau?
Likitau. By him, the two abhyasas were written. Balaji Mohdey.
ताभिः अभ्यासौ लिखितौ
Did it change because Tena and Tabihi is there?
No, it won't change because अभ्यासौ
Because abhyasa.
Okay.
Tabihi meaning by those girls.
by those girls.
Tena by him.
By.
So we do the next one. This is where we are going to change it to all four prayogas. Okay. Tena pataha apatyata. By him, the lesson was read. Tena pataha patitaha. By him, the lesson was read. Same meaning, but here lakara. Here, the pratyaya has been used. But for this 10 sentences, we'll do kartari, karmadi in both with lang, with the lakara and with the namapadas. So, who's going to begin? Shailesh Mohdey. Whose chance is it?
शैलेश महोदय से
छात्रः
शैलेश।
गृहकार्यं कृतवान्
छात्रः
छात्रेण
हम्म
गृहकार्यं
हम्म
कृतवान्
छात्रेण
क्रियते
छात्रेण गृहकार्यं
हम्म
कृत what will be the कृतवान्?
अक्रियतव
No, in
Let,
the कर्मणि.
no, 1 minute. You want to see? We want 3 sentences. One, we want here Tavatu has been used. Kartari Prayoga.
Okay.
Tavatu has been used. We want
So we make it to
Kartari
कर्मणि.
Prayoga. No. First we want Kartari Prayoga to and Lang
Okay,
Lakara to
okay.
be used. First sentence.
Kartari lang lakara. Okay.
Hmm.
Second.
छात्रः गृहकार्यं
Hmm.
कृतवान्.
Ah,
So that is a कर्तरि प्रयोग.
that is Kartari using Tavatu.
No,
Now
no,
we want.
it's a तवतु.
Now we
छात्रः
want.
गृहकार्यं अकरोत्.
Akarot. Super.
अकरोत्. छात्रः
Akarot.
गृहकार्यं अकरोत्. Now
Now we
कर्मणि
want.
लङ्.
Karmani Lang we want.
छात्रेण
Hmm.
गृहकार्यं
Hmm.
अकुर्यात्.
No. Akriyata will be. Akriyata.
अक्रियत.
Akriyata.
And छात्रः
Hmm.
गृहकार्यं
Hmm.
कृतवान्. That is तवतु प्रत्यय.
छात्रेण गृहकार्यस्य विशेषणं भवति प्रत्यय. So it should be a विशेषणं for गृहकार्यं. So in krita remove the one, we have in kritavan we remove the one, we get krita, and it should be विशेषणं for
छात्रेण गृहकार्यं कृत.
छात्रेण
गृहकार्यं कृत.
कृतं. छात्रेण गृहकार्यं कृतं. So in karmani there are 2 forms. One is छात्रेण गृहकार्यं अक्रियत, and in ikta pratyaya it is छात्रेण गृहकार्यं कृतं.
Oh yeah. So one past tense, one tavatu pratyay in karmani, and one kartari. So 3 like that. Okay.
So whatever form is given, the other 3 forms has to be done.
Okay.
Like that. Ritesh Mahodaya.
माता पुत्री अतर्जयत.
Matra.
मात्रा पुत्री अतर्जयत.
What prayoga is this? Kartari karmani bhave. What prayoga is it?
कर्तरी नो कर्मणि कर्मणि लंग लकारा.
Karmani lang lakara. So we want kartari lang, kartari tabatu, karmani and karmani tapratya. 3 sentences. So you can start with whatever is easy for you. I think the easiest
कर्तरी
is
लंग.
the kartari lang.
कर्तरी लंग. माता पुत्री माता पुत्री पुत्रीम. करेक्ट.
माता
पुत्रीम तर्ज अतर्जत. अतर्जत.
What is the root? The root also I don't know. Tarj must be.
तर्ज.
Float, no. When it's hate, insult. Maybe this one. So Atarjat only must be. Atarjeet, my God.
Oh. It is lung lakara.
This is lung.
Oh, lung. Sorry. Slung. Did I miss slung?
Atarjat. Atarjat.
So Mata.
Putrim atarjat.
Mata Putrim Atarjat.
Now karmani lang lakara.
No, you tell Tavatu also.
Tavatu also, right?
That is easy, no?
माता पुत्रीं
Hmm.
तर्जवती
Tarjitavati.
तर्जितवती तर्जितवती
Ah. So
and
now we
then
know that Tarjitavati, we have to remove the vati and whatever remains is the pratyaya.
so mata putrim no karmani we have to do, right?
Karmani. Yes.
So then matra
Hmm.
putri
Hmm.
tarjit tarjita tarjita
Tarjita. Tarjita.
tarjita
Samyak. Asti. Radhika Mahoday. Maya.
सः मया
वदतु.
भूमिः
Hmm.
अदृश्यत्
Adrishyata.
sorry अदृश्यत
What prayoga is it?
लङ् लकारः
No, when I mean prayoga, I mean is it kartari, karmani or bhave? Is it active, passive or bhave? What prayoga is it? Maya, by me, the world was seen. The
कर्मणि
bhumi.
प्रयोगः मैम
Karmani. Correct. So by me, the bhumi was seen. Change it to kartari, lang and kartari, tavatu, pratamam,
अहं
aham,
भूमिम्
bhumim,
अहं दृश्यामि नो sorry not दृश्यामि अदृश्यम्
apashyam.
अपश्यम् okay
Hmm.
अपश्यम्
Apashyam. Aham bhumim apashyam. Some. Then. So now we have finished one sentence with lakara. Now we have to do the same with tavatu. Aham. Can you be a little louder? I can't hear you.
अहं भूमिम् or is it भूमिः भूमिम्
Bhumim only because we bhumim just lakar between lang lakara and tavatu only the last verb will change. The rest all will be the same.
अहं भूमिम्
Hmm.
अदृश्य
So it will become drishta. You are able to understand what I'm saying, Mahadev? So aham bhumim apashyat, or it is aham bhumim. In tavatu what it will be? Drishtavati. So there are two forms you can make, no? In Kartari, Bhutakala, one is lang, the other one is tavatu. You want me to type it out for you? Okay, so this is our sentence. We are going to make it karmani. Aham bhumim. What is in lang lakara?
अदृश्यम्
Apashyam.
अपश्यम् sorry अपश्यम्
Now, yeah, apashyam. In tavatu pratyaya, how will you say? The same thing. Oh, I don't know how to write Drishtabati here.
अहं भूमिम्
I was lexilogos. So it will be in Tavatu Pratyaya, Aham Bhumim Drishtavati. So this both the sentences mean the same, but only here Lakara is used and here Tavatu is used. Okay. Now if I have to change it to Karmani, how will I change? Maya. Bhumihi. One way is to do this. Maya Bhumihi Adrishyata. The other way is Maya Bhumihi. What is the other way? Bhumihi is what Shabda?
Ikaranta Striling is
Ikaranta Strilinga. Then what will be the word? In the Drishtabati, you have to remove Vati. Drishtabati, you have to remove Vati. So what?
Drishtata. Is it Drishta?
Huh? Drishta. Drishta.
Oh,
Because
Drishta. Okay, Drishta. Shit.
Maya Bhumihi Drishta. So it means the same as the sentence. These two mean the same. Here Lakara, here Namapadam. Here Lakara, here Namapadam. Now this is Drishta because this is Strilinga Ekavachana. Prathama Vibhakti. This is a Visheshanam and Vishesham for this. Okay. The more you exercise, the more you will understand. Balaji Mudya.
सः कार्यालयात् गृहम् आगच्छत् कर्तरि प्रयोगे अस्ति सः कार्यालयात् गृहम् आगतवान् कर्मणि लङ् तेन कार्यालयात् गृहम् आगम्यत सम्यक् तेन कार्यालयात् गृहम् आगतम्
सम्यक् रितेश महोदय अग्रिम
बुद्धिमता सूक्तयः अपठयन्त. This is कर्मणि प्रयोग लंग लकार. So
start from कर्तरि.
बुद्धिमान सूक्तयः सूक्ति.
Suktihi is like our Mati Shabda, like Strilinga. Matihi, like that Suktihi.
Sukti Strilinga Linga Ari Shabda.
I think it is there in both the lingas. Yeah, it is there in both lingas.
Pullinga Shabda Chet Suktiin Harin.
Harin.
So it is not Hari Shabda.
No.
Hari,
there it is in Prathama Vibhakti. No, but it is there in both from what I...
both. Suktihi.
So it is Strilinga, Sukti.
Rasam kilometer Sukti. Suktam. Sukti Dirga.
Asvanasti Dirga Eva.
Dirga Sukti.
But it is a feminine gender. There is no male. So it is like Mati Shabda only.
Mati Shabda.
Yeah. So it is like Mati.
Matihi, Mati, Matyaha.
Matayaha.
Matim, Mati, Mati.
Mati. Samyak.
So Buddhiman. Buddhiman Suktayaha.
No. This should be in... What is the meaning of the sentence?
Buddhimata. Sukti is read by a Buddhiman.
Yeah. So in Kartari, a Buddhiman was reading Suktis. So a Buddhiman was reading Sukti. So Sukti must be in what Vibhakti? What Vibhakti?
Prathama Vibhakti.
Why?
No.
In
Oh,
Kartari. In
Kartari.
Kartari.
in Kartari, Sukti should be in Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Vidya
Why?
Bahuvachanam.
Why?
Buddhiman, because Buddhiman is Prathama Vibhakti.
No. Why is Sukti in Dvitiya Vibhakti in Kartari? Because we asked Buddhiman, what are you reading?
What are you reading? Kim.
What were you reading? So when the answer you get to the question, what were you reading, will always be in Dvitiya Vibhakti, which means
Dvitiya.
that is the object of the sentence. How do you find the object of the sentence? By asking the Karta, what were you reading? That's true. So
Kim.
Sukti Kim. So Sukti is the Dvitiya is the object, so it will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti in Kartari Prayoga. So then
it will be Sukti. Right?
Sukti.
Sukti. Buddhiman Sukti. Buddhiman Sukti. Apatat.
Samyak.
Buddhiman Sukti. Patitvan.
Samyak. Now we have only one more sentence.
Buddhiman
Before we break
Sukti.
our heads.
Buddhiman Sukti. Patit.
Buddhimata.
You are doing Kartari or Karmani now?
Now we have to do Karmani now.
Kya pratyaya.
Buddhimata Suktayah. Buddhimata Suktayah. Patit Suktayah.
Strilinga, Prathama Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam.
Patitvatyah.
This is like Sita Shabda.
Sita.
Sitaha. Sitaha. So
Patitaha.
So Buddhimata Suktayah Patitaha. Why we are confused? Because Sukti is Ikaranta Strilinga, but Patita is Akaranta Strilinga. So we cannot expect it to rhyme always.
Patitaha.
Agre, Radhika Mahodaya says, no. Shailesh
Yes,
Mahodaya?
me. Mantrina asammatihi abhashyat.
Abhashyata.
Abhashyata. Mantri asammatihi abhashata. Mantri.
What did you say?
Kartari. Kartari Mantri asammatihi abhashata.
Asammatim.
Asammatim, yeah. Asammatim abhashata.
Abhashata. Samyak.
Karmani
Abhashat or Abhashata?
Abhashata.
Why Ritesh Mahodaya?
Lang Lakara, right?
Lang Lakara. But what padam is it? Parasmay or Atmani padam?
Parasmay.
Parasmaypadi.
No,
It is
I think it is Atmanepadi.
Yeah, it is Atmanepadi.
Atmanepadi.
So we say Bhashate, Bhashete, Bhashante. So it is Abhashata.
Abhashata.
Mantrihi kila mahoday. Mantrihi.
No, Mantri. I think both are there.
Mantrihi Prathama.
No, it's Nadi. It's Matihi. So Mantrihi, right.
Mantrina this is Pullinga padam. Mantrina.
I think there is one Mantrin also is there. Mantri also is there.
Harina, Muni, Munina, Mantrihi, Mantrina.
So Mantri is the Ikarant, isn't it? It's a Ikarant.
No. There are two words. One is Mantrihi, which is Pullinga Shabda. Another one is Mantrin, which is usually we take this Mantrin, Nakaranta Pullinga Shabda. In Tritiya Vibhakti, it will be Mantrina. Do you want to check for
meaning different.
Yeah, so that could be Mantri.
This is a minister.
Minister.
One word in Sanskritam will have many meanings and it
Okay.
sometimes has opposite meanings also.
Yeah.
So, take a nimsham, why to have doubt? We'll go to
We have both the forms,
yeah.
Mantrihi and Mantrin.
Yes, so we have two forms. One is
Mantri.
Mantrihi.
Mantri इत्युक्ते so mantri that pratama
Harasva
no
ikara.
no mantrin is mantri. This is hari shabda.
This is like Hari Shabda, exactly Hari Shabda. This is Mantrihi. What you are saying, Balaji Madhya.
Yes,
What
but
about
mantrin nakaranta is mantri dirgham.
There also Harasva.
Here it will be Mantrina, you're saying.
No. Pratama vibhakti. If it is mantrin, the pratama vibhakti will be mantri.
That is true. My question is, will this be Mantrina? No, it will not. It will still
Mantrina.
be.
No, that is also mantrina. So that is also mantrina, but
So then
pratama
it,
vibhakti will change.
so then you can use anything, no? You can either use Mantrihi or Mantri. Both you can use in this sentence.
Some makes sense.
So Mantrihi asammatim abhashata is one.
Abhashata.
Now we do with Tavatu Pratyaya.
So Mantrina
No.
asammati.
Do Kartari Tavatu Pratyaya.
Yeah. Mantri asammatim bhashitavan.
Bhashitavan. Samyak.
And Mantrina asammati bhashita.
Asamatihi. What? This is Pullinga Shabda.
Pulling.
Yeah. So bhashita.
Bhashitaha.
Bhashitaha.
Like Ramaha.
Yeah.
Asamatihi is like is akar is it is this is ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Pratama Vibhakti. This will be Bhashitaha because it is also Pullinga.
Yeah.
Ekavachanam Pratama Vibhakti. Agree. Radhika Mode. Sa Pakshinam Mochayati. So now what Lakara is this? If it is getting too much for all of us, I'm saying, if it is getting too much, we can continue this in next class also. Because it is, I feel, too much. Can be getting confused. Radhika
It's
Madhya, do you want
difficult
to
to find
No,
the
Madhya.
root.
No, Madhya. Good. It's good. It's learning only.
Yeah.
I think I will listen.
Okay, no problem. Then Balaji Madhya, your turn. What Lakara is it?
Sa pakshinam mochayati. This is kartari prayogi asti. Sa
Kartari.
pakshinam.
Yeah, but Lakara?
Lakara mochayati present
Prasnipati.
vartamana kale.
Vartamana kale latlakare asti. So now you have to give 4 sentences. Kartari to Karmani to.
Kartari. Sa pakshinam amochayat. Amochayat. Sa pakshinam mochitavati.
Sa Pakshinam Mochitavati. Samyak.
मोक्षितवती इदानीं कर्मणि प्रयोगे सा तया पक्षिणः
Pakshi it will be.
पक्षी सम्यक् तया पक्षी अमोच्यत
Correct.
अमोच्यत तया पक्षी पक्षी मोचिता
No? It is a Pakshin Shabda is a Nakaranta Pullinga Shabda.
पुल्लिङ्ग शब्द मोचितं पक्षी नकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग सम्यक् क्षम्यतां पुल्लिङ्ग मोचितः तया पक्षी मोचितः
Pritesh Mahodaya.
Aham putram apalayam. Kartari prayoga lang lakara. So कर्तरी प्रयोग लट लगा don't have to say right. कर्तरी प्रयोग other form. अहम पुत्रम
Sorry.
पालितवान.
Palitavan.
Because I am saying पालितवान.
Exactly.
Okay.
If I say, I will say Palitavati.
पालितवती.
Hmm.
अहम पुत्रम पालितवान.
Hmm.
Now मया कर्मणि लंग लकारा.
Hmm.
मया
Hmm.
पुत्रम पुत्रः.
Putraha.
मया पुत्रः.
Hmm.
मया पुत्रः अपाल्य पुत्र अपाल्यत.
Apalyata. Samyak. Samyak.
मया पुत्रः अपाल्यत. then कर्मणि
Hmm.
प्रत्यय. मया पुत्रः
Hmm.
मया पुत्रः पालितः.
Palitaha. Samyak. Good. Samyak. Wow. Shailesh.
वयं कार्याणि अकुर्मः. तो कर्तरि अहम सो कर्मणि अहम आवाम वयम अस्माभिः
Don't you want to finish
कार्याणि.
Kartari? Do you finish, Mahodaya? It's easier, no? So, Vayam Karyani Akurma. Vayam Karyani.
वयं कार्याणि अकुर्म. That is कर्तरि.
That is Kartari Lang. With Tavatu Pratyaya.
या वयं कार्याणि कृतवान्.
Kritavan.
कृतवन्तः.
Kritavantaha.
कृतवन्तः.
Kritavantaha. Vayam Karyani Kritavantaha. Samyak.
Now
Now, Karmani Prayoga.
अस्माभिः
Asmabhi.
कार्यं कार्याः
Asmabhi.
अस्माभिः कार्याणि
Karyani.
अकुर्वन्.
Karya. No. Body. No. This is difficult. Okay, it's a new word. It's akriyanta because it has to take atmanipadi ending, and in bahuvachana. So and in bahuvachana atmanipadi ending, in karmani it will change. Who will change to kri? So akriyanta. Akriyanta.
Okay. तो अस्माभिः कार्याणि अक्रियन्त.
Akriyanta. Samyak.
And तवतु अस्माभिः.
Tavatu nasita.
अस्माभिः कार्याणि अक्रिय.
No. In Kritavantaha we said no, so remove the one. So Krita what?
कृत.
Karyani. So it is like Pala Shabda.
कार्याणि
Kritavan
कृतानि
is said.
कृत.
Krita, right? So in Krita, but it is in Bahuvachana. Karyani is in Bahuvachana. So Palam Pale Palani, like that.
So what is the बहुवचन of कृत?
कृतं कृते कृतानि वा?
Kritani. Kritam Krite Kritani. Palam Pale Palani. So Asmabhihi Karyani Kritani. By us the work. By us the works were done.
Difficult.
Abhyasa is necessary. That's why I asked, should we do next class, continue next class? More exercise is necessary. Astu. Balaji Mahoday.
त्वं विषयम् अरटः. कर्तरी लङ् प्रयोगे अस्ति त्वं विषयम् अरटः कर्तरी लङ् प्रयोगः अस्ति कर्तरी तव तु त्वं विषयं रटितवान् सम्यक् रटितवान् त्वं विषयं रटितवान् तव तु कर्मणि लङ् त्वया विषयं त्वं विषयं
विषयः नो
विषयः त्वया विषयः अरट्यत त्वया विषयः विषयः रटितः राटित
No, ratitah only. I checked before class.
Ratitah.
It's ratitah. So the meaning you know, no? Ratna
Memorize,
means, no?
memorize. Kantasti.
Tadeva.
Tvaya vishayah ratitah.
Samyak. So there is bhave prayoga and yukta pratyaya. We'll do this next class. Don't want to take too much of it. Okay. Example. Let's do Sakshepa Ramayana. Astu gata kakshayam vayam shuklam varadam shlokasya artham we learned, na? This must be easy. Pujantam, can you know the meaning of this? Pujantam Rama Rameti Maduram Maduraksharam Arukhya Kavita Shakam Vande Valmiki Kokilam. Can you guess the meaning?
Ramah Vande.
Aham Vande.
Aham Vande. Kujantam.
No, this shloka is not Ram. We are not Vande. Whom are we saluting? We are saluting Valmiki, not Ram.
Valmiki.
Aham Vande. Kam Vande.
Valmiki Kokilam.
We are
Maduraksharam.
So, what is the meaning is, I am saluting Valmiki. What kind of Valmiki? He's Kokila. Kokila meaning that sweet bird, no? Which will make sound in the morning. He's like Valmiki, he's a Kokilam. He's that sweet bird. What? Where is he? He is on Shaka. Shaka meaning branch of a tree.
Shaka.
What tree? The poem as the Ramayana as the poem. Kavita Shakam. The branch of the tree, which is actually a poem. Arukhya, after climbing. What does Valmiki, who is a Kokila, do? He does Pujantam. Who he does? What who he does? Rama, Iti. What kind of Rama? What is that actually? It is a Maduram, sweet. Maduraksharam. That Aksharam is very sweet. Maduram, Maduraksharam. Like that. So this is a beautiful explanation where Valmiki is compared to a Kokilam, where Kokila also climbs a tree, a branch of a tree, and says beautiful sounds. Similarly, Valmiki also climbs the branch of a poem tree, and he makes sweet sounds, which is what sound? Sweet, beautiful sounds. What is that sound? Rama, iti. Isn't it beautiful?
Yes.
Very beautiful. Does this come in Aditya Hridayam? Initial?
No.
Oh, somewhere else I would have read, but it's such a beautiful meaning. I didn't know.
Yeah, it is a beautiful meaning. Somebody was actually, felt.
I think here is a Parichay book of Sanskrit Bharati.
It's there?
I think so.
Oh, okay. So
when they teach you Anvay, it's over there.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure about that. But this they say whenever I think, they want to salute the author of the work, salute the author of Ramayana, then they say this.
Yeah.
Astu. So we are in the 14th shloka. चतुर्दश श्लोकान् श्लोकं वयं पठामः। रक्षिता स्वस्य धर्मस्य स्वजनस्य च रक्षिता वेद वेदांग तत्त्वज्ञो धनुर्वेदे च निष्ठितः। So, who can tell me the meaning? Because it's straightforward.
स्वस्य धर्मस्य
Ved Vedanga Tatvagnyah. There we can add, there is Sandhi, right? Tatvagnyah.
Yes, there is Sandhi. There is here. What is here? Because what is this? Hush. That is why this has become Utvam. The Visarga has become Utvam.
Karkasha, right?
No,
Hush.
no.
No, Mridu.
Mridu
Vanjanani.
Vanjana.
Tathadha.
If it is Karkasha, what will happen? So if it is the first
Lopa?
Ta was there. No,
Itch.
no,
It
no.
will become itch.
When the is there, what is the good question? Now I am myself confused.
Itch.
Itch. Itch has to be there.
Itch.
No, Mahodaya. What are you saying? I don't know. It will get some. I don't know. Ish, itch, or see. Take an option. See.
Kasmachit. So kasmachit.
So instead of the Dhanurveje, instead of this the, if ta was there, then it would become the Visarga would become Sakara. So you'll see here the Visarga has become Sakara. So Unnastaruhu, Spashtastakara. But we are having here Mridu Vyanjana. So it will become Utvam. Oh, it will become
Utvam.
It will become Utvam. So that is the only something here. So this is just continuing to say Rama's qualities directly. No major Anvayam is there. So he is a Rakshita, Saha Ramaha Rakshita, Saha Ramaha Punaha Rakshita eva, Saha Ramaha Veda Vedanga Tattvagnaha, Saha Ramaha Nishtitaha. Rakshita, protector. Saha Ramaha Kasya Rakshitaha, Swasya Dharmasya Rakshita. स्वस्य धर्मस्य रक्षितः.
स्वजनस्य.
Yeah.
स्वस्य स्वजनस्य धर्मस्य रक्षितः.
By habit I am saying ta pratyaya. That's what I was saying. Thinking. Saha Ramaha swadharmasya rakshitaha I said. So here they even use both. This is rakshita, trich pratyaya is used. This is Saha Ramaha swajanasya rakshita. Saha Ramaha nishtitaha. कुत्र निष्ठितः कस्मिन् निष्ठितः धनुर्वेदे निष्ठितः. I'll explain. Swasya dharmasya rakshita. He is a protector of dharma. Correct. He swajanasya rakshita is a protector of his people. Veda vedanga tattvagyaha. He is a knower of the Vedas and the Vedangas. Nishtitaha, he is involved in, he is an expert in archery. Dhanurvede cha nishtita. That is the very superficial meaning. The inner meanings, there's lots more here. Okay. So that we'll see later. What is the vibhakti? What is
Can we, instead of Rakshita, can it be Rakshaka?
Yes. It can be Rakshaka. That is what I have written in the, see, Rakshaka. That is the meaning I have written. Can be Rakshaka. But Rakshita is made out of Trich Pratyaya from the Raksh Dhatu. Rakshaka is made from what Pratyaya? A different Pratyaya from the same Raksh Dhatu. But it gives the same meaning.
Okay.
So Rakshita, so Rakshita is what Pratyaya? Trich Pratyaya. So it is Rakshitru Shabda. Okay. Swasya Dharmasya. Again, this is Akaranta Swaha. What is Swasya?
Shashti ekvachanam.
Shashti.
Shashti
Shashti.
Ekavachanam. What is the Pratipadikam?
स्वयं
Pratipadikam is
स्वः
slow.
Swayam.
स्वयं स्वयं
What is the Pratipadikam?
Swa.
Swa. Must be Swa.
Swa.
Swa, correct. So that is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda.
Sarvanam.
There's a Sarvanam also, there is a Akaranta Pullingam also. Let's see Sarvanam. See, Shashti is Swasya. Swaha, Swau, Sve. Like Saha Taute. Swasya. Okay. So Swasya.
Sarva also.
Sarva.
Sarva,
Sarva, Sarve. Correct. So, Swasya, this is Akaranta Pullinga. Dharmaha, again Akaranta Pullinga. Swajanaha, again Akaranta. Cha is Abhyayam. Rakshita Vijassa. Veda Vedanga Tattvagyaha. It is like Dharmagyaha. Knower of Dharma. Sarvagyaha. Knower of everything. That is Nyaha has been added. So here also it is an Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Dhanurvede. Dhanurvedaha. That is also Akaranta Pullinga. Nishtitaha is also, this Nishtitaha is what? Akaranta Pullinga only, but it is our Ta Pratyaya, like Patitaha, Kaditaha, Kachitaha, like that. It is also our Ta Pratyaya, which indicates past tense, Karmani past tense. Okay. Not Karmani, in this case Kartari, that we'll discuss later.
Dhanurvede is Dhanurvedaha.
Dhanurveda.
Then here also Sandhi, is it?
Between Dhanuhu and Veda?
No. Dhanurveda is there. Dhanurvede.
No, this is Saptami Vibhakti.
Saptami.
Why it is Saptami Vibhakti? Because what Nishtitaha means involved.
Involved in.
Involved or expert, I think. Not involved. Expert. Here, expert in what? Dhanurveda.
Dhanurvede.
So that's what it is.
Mahodaya, so Nishtitaha, so kam anusarati? Which word it actually?
Dhanurvedaha? No.
Nishtitaha, Rama Nishtitaha va?
It is Ramaha. Saha Nishtitaha.
Nishtitaha.
Saha Nishtitaha. So now you have to ask me why it is not Tena Nishtitaha.
That's why I'm doubt even the karma padam that Pratama Vibhakti.
Yeah, I didn't want to say that. Yeah, so you should ideally ask me why it is Tena Nishtitaha. That's your doubt.
Yes.
But I didn't want to confuse you further. But Nishtita, Sta Pratyaya can be used in Kartari also. This I wanted to reserve for next class and not confuse people. But, okay. But Ta Pratyaya can be used in Kartari also. So if I say Ramaha, Ramena, Ramena Vanam Gataha and Ramaha Vanam Gataha, both correct.
Oh.
So,
Ramena Vanam Gatam.
Ramena Vanam Gatam. Yeah, Ramena Vanam Gatam is correct. Ramaha Vanam Gataha is also correct.
That is also correct. Very confusing this is.
Yeah.
This Nishtita, is it a Visheshana?
Yes, Visheshana for Ramaha.
Okay.
Rakshita is a Visheshana for Ramaha.
Yeah.
Veda Vedanga Tattvagyaha is a Visheshana for Ramaha. All this is a Visheshana for Ramaha. We have been reading a lot of shlokas where, so Narada has asked, Valmiki has asked Narada, right?
Yeah,
16 qualities. Now Narada is going ahead with 32 qualities or even more, describing Rama. Each thing is a Visheshanam for Rama. So, there's a lot of subtle meanings how he, this Vasya Dharmasya, how he protected Jatayu, how he protected Vibhishana, all that lot of, if you have interest, you can go read hear Harikathas. Veda, Vedanga, Tattvagya, Veda, what is Veda, what is Vedanga, all that and all is there. Even this Dhanurveda, people just think it is just archery, but it is actually a scripture on missiles, on how to use missiles. So he was an expert in that. See, the main angas of Vedas are Siksha, Vyakarana, Chandas, Jyotisham, Nirukta, Kalpa, all that.
षट् वेदाङ्गास्
The Shat Vedangas, correct. So is this meaning of the shloka and the grammatical points clear? That is our class objective, not the bhakti element.
Yeah.
almost.
Astu. Okay, it is 8:15. Should we read our
महोदय पूर्वस्य पाठस्य केचन प्रश्नाः सन्ति
meaning? Which one?
कृपया पूर्वस्य पाठस्य स्लैड् दर्शयति वा
Ta pratyaya अथवा
न पूर्वस्य
गतकक्षायां?
गतकक्षायां
गतकक्षायां.
द्वाविंशतिः तत्र अभ्यासः अस्ति किल तृतीयः अभ्यासः
अत्र
तत्र बहुभिः थर्ड लाइन सेकेंड सेंटेंस बहुभिः गीतायाः उदाहरणैः गुरुणा सह बोध्यते सो बोध्यते बोधति बोधयत so बोध्यते can you because if I check Ashtadhyayi, so I'm getting two different
महाविष्टेन भूयते तेन समचित्तेन न भूयते तेन कर्मफलं प्राधान्येन चिन्तयते एकदा तेन एकः गुरुः प्राप्यते गुरुणा उपदेशः क्रियते एतस्य मनसि प्रश्नैः उद्भूयते
third line
बहुभिः गीतायाः उदाहरणैः गुरुणा
सह बोध्यते can you check that kriyapadam
बुद्ध बोधा
बुद्ध
where stopping one what did I do?
अष्टाध्यायी
बुध्यते बुध्यते is आत्मनेपदी right कर्मणि
bodhayati is there parasmay also is there
बोधयति बोधति so guruhu tam bodhati
what is the question actually
it is if you karta if go to bhava karma so
no wait a minute
so
this is buddhyate
this
I'm
is
getting
buddhyate so it says buddhyate and also bodhyate also yeah so why this is bodhyate saha buddhyate
did you see the
nijantai
do you see the divadi ganam
no
nijanta
is it nijanta then it is bodhayati and then atmanepadi will be should be bodhyate
oh yeah no bodhayati is to teach direct meaning there is no making him teach this also is buddhyate only unless they have used the
bodhyate it is there in nijante bhava karmani lat lakara nijante I typed bodhyate
up top only
yeah I understood that ekanimisham niji kridante no I don't want kridante here there will be nijante kartari karmani so
bodhyate
Yeah. But here the meaning is not bodhyate, no? Here the
No,
meaning is buddhyate only. Here it
then there should be then saha buddhyate va
saha
tatra.
buddhyate. How can it be bodhyate?
So
Saha
that's why
buddhyate.
I got confused. So
Yeah.
so
I'll
that should
mark
be
it in
corrected
red.
as both. Okay,
Buddhyate.
buddhyate. Buddhyate. Samyak.
Thank you.
Anantaram Mahoday. Same if you this is the second last line. Same way. Tena tattvam, second last line. Tena tattvam bodhyate. And same way, same thing. That's what I think.
I think same only.
Okay.
It should be
And
buddhyate only.
Buddhyate. And next sentence, sarvaihi etat ishyate kila Mahoday. Ishyate, ikaranta kila. Ishyate.
Sarvaihi etat ishyate. No, why ishyate? It is ichyate is karmani prayoga, na? It is karmani prayoga of ichyati, right? Must be
Ishyate
that.
is there. I couldn't find ishyate.
See, the karmani form of the thing ichya.
That is ishyate.
What did I click now? I did this, I think.
So
See,
kartari is
our ichyati is there, right?
ichyati.
What is the karmani form of ichyati?
Ishyate.
Ishyate.
Ishyate. Okay.
That only this is. So this was liked by all. This is liked by all. So ichyati has become in karmani ishyate. Why? Because the root is not ich. The root is ish. So ish you add ya. Ishyate. This is correct.
Okay. Then ishyante. Sarve etat ishyante.
What
Why?
is this word? This
Why ishyante? Ekanimsham Mahodaya. It is etat.
Oh, sorry. Ichanti.
Sarvaihi.
No,
Etat. No. Sarva. Sarve etat ichanti.
ichanti. Sarve etat ichanti. Yeah, that's why I got the first because I thought ishyate, then I put ishyante. That's wrong. So
Okay.
ichanti. Yeah, I got it clear. Thanks. The last one, Mahoday. Vidhiyate is the last line. Prayatnaha. Vidhiyate. Vidhiyate is
So
the
this is
same because it should be in because etaihi
etaihi.
sajivane tadacharitum prayatnaha vidhiyate.
No, etaha vidiyante vidiyante, correct. Vidiyante. Etaha vidiyante. That's your question, right?
Etaha vidhiyate. No, it's the same because in both the karmani, kartari, it's the same.
Same, but here it is etaha, no. So bahuvachana.
Etaha. Etaihi etaha.
So it
So
must be vidiyante.
vidhiyante. धन्यवाद महोदय. धन्यवाद.
Correct. See, vidiyante. This is the Gupta Upanishad. Correct.
दीयन्ते. सम्यक्. धन्यवादः.
Shailesh Mahodaya vadatu.
yeah, this tena tattavam or tattvam.
There is tena tattvam bodhyate. You want why there is an extra ta there? What you are asking?
Yeah, but it should be ta, halanta, ta, halanta, and va.
Yeah, that's also a type. Here it is tat. It should be
Yeah,
tattvam.
tattavam. So that
Yeah.
is
What should it be?
Tattvam.
tattvam.
Tattvam. Here it is tattatvam.
Tattavam. This is
No,
wrong.
tattavam. Here it is tattavam. It should be tattvam.
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 Tattvam is what? Tattvam.
Tattvam means the nature.
Philosophy.
Yeah, philosophy is one meaning. Correct. Nature. How do I say? सूर्ये प्रकाशतत्त्वम् अस्ति. सूर्ये प्रकाशतत्त्वम् अस्ति. So the
Element.
element or the state or the nature of
Yeah,
prakasha
yeah.
is there in Surya.
Character.
Character. That is tattvam. So because of this meaning, tattvam means philosophy.
So
So
I was just thinking, can bodhyate also fit in this? Tena tattvam bodhyate instead of bodhate.
Budhyate.
Budhyate.
Budhyate is the correct word. Bodhyate is wrong.
Hmm.
What is your question? How they're going to change? We are going to change it to karmani, kartari.
Kartari.
Hmm. It should be budhyate first.
First, it should
Udayati.
be budhyate, and when you
Uh,
change,
Bodhati.
when you change it to karma, वदतु महोदय, भवतः प्रश्नः किं? प्रश्नं किम्?
Balaji Modi.
No, Ritesh.
No, Ritesh Modi, I'm asking you.
What is the difference if why it is wrong, like if bodhyate ten tattvam?
Okay. So here, see, Buddha is to teach, right? To make him understand.
Bodhyate is to make someone understand, right?
Hello, can you hear me?
Amode.
I'm getting some message. So Budhyate is to teach. You're not going to make, Bodhyate is making to teach. So here we are not making to teach. No, we are only teaching. The Guru is only teaching.
Patati patayati.
Make him read.
Make him read like that.
So make him teach.
Now, why you want? We were not making him teach. We are making him understand. So he's teaching.
Then budhyate.
धन्यवादः. धन्यवादः. अस्तु, समयः अतीतः. Let's. I wanted to finish the story we started last class. Chichana Prayoga. We'll do next class. अस्तु. प्रश्नाः सन्ति चेत् कृपया पृच्छतु. Stop share. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ओं तत्सत्. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम्.
Any idea when we are having exam?
I have no clue, Mahodaya.